Hey guys, welcome to a new video. It is so good to see you. Today I'm at my brother's place and I thought it would be a good opportunity to show you his sleek solution to mount the Shinyo mirrors on the Husqvarna 701. You can basically use this system to mount these mirrors on any bike that you want. I'm gonna link everything down below in the description that you need. It's super inexpensive. You only pay like 35 euros including the mirrors for all of this. And there's also a way to have some clamps, so you don't even need the mirror thread if those look different on your bike. I know that some people say that they have problems with the quality of these mirrors. I use mine since 2014 and I never had one problem. I never lost one. Sometimes they get loose, but if you use Loctite, then that's no issue at all. Some of you might think that with these mirrors you can't see anything. I know, but actually, for me, they're much better than the original ones. The original ones are up here and I only see my shoulders. But with these ones, I look through this triangle that's created like underneath the arm and besides the body. I see a little bit of my clothes, but that's no problem. And apart from that, I can see everything perfectly fine. So yeah, definitely make sure that you see properly. But for me, those mirrors are a huge improvement compared to the original ones. And you can still reach all the controls even with hand shoes. Hand shoes? Gloves. What's that? Gloves. And you can even reach all the controls with gloves. Hand shoes. And you can even reach all the controls with gloves on, so super handy. Let's go. So all you need for this are 2 thread inlays that go in here and then 2 corresponding screws to mount the mirrors. Obviously 2 of the Shinyo mirrors. Some Loctite to fix these adjustment screws. In this case, a Phillips screwdriver for the screw that goes in the thread inlay, and a 5mm and a 3mm Allen key. And that's all you need. I'm gonna link everything down below in the description. Also, I'm gonna link you some handlebar clamps in case you don't have mirror threads already. So no matter what bike you have, you can use this setup. So the 2 only places where you definitely need to use Loctite are here and here. So go ahead, install them on your bike, see how you want to have them adjusted, and then unscrew these 2 screws and put some Loctite on there, put them back in, and you're good to go. You shouldn't lose them. Right, so this is this thread inlay. You just go ahead, place it here and screw it right in with your fingers until it sits flush. And that's all you have to do. Next, go ahead, take the mirror and your screw that you got, place this screw in here and then just tighten it. Later you can properly adjust the mirror. So if you ever wonder how to get these out again, just take a screwdriver and go into these little holes where the pins were and then carefully unscrew it. Not the most elegant way, but it works. There you go. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it was helpful for you and that you soon have the same nice mirror setup like my brother has on his 701. As mentioned, I'm gonna link all the products down below in the description so you can check it out for yourself. And in case you want to have a more, I don't know, detailed, it's not more detailed, but written description, I've written a blog post for you. That's also down below in the description box. And if you like this video, consider subscribing and then I see you in the next one.